Today you will learn how to insert page numbers in Word from a specific page. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. To insert basic page numbers in Word, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. In the ribbon menu, click Page Number. You'll now see different locations where page numbers can appear. You can place them at the top of the page, bottom of the page margins, or even at the current cursor position. Most people usually choose either the top or bottom of the page. After choosing the location, Word will show multiple page number styles. You can select simple numbers, centered numbers, left-aligned numbers, right-aligned numbers, and even designs that include text or decorative formatting. Just click the style you like, and Word will automatically add page numbers to all pages in the document. Once the numbers are added, you'll notice that Word opens Header and Footer Editing mode. This allows you to customize the page numbers. If you want to move the number left, center, or right, simply click the page number and use the Tab key on your keyboard. You can also change the font size, font style, or color just like normal text. Now, let's do the most important part of this tutorial, which is starting page numbers from a specific page. If you want to remove the number from the first page, double-click the header or footer area where the page number appears. Then, at the top menu, enable the option called Different First Page. As soon as you check this option, the page number disappears from the first page while remaining on the rest of the document. Sometimes beginners also want the second page to display page number 1 instead of page number 2. To do this, go back to Insert, click Page Number, and then choose Format Page Numbers. A small window will appear. Under Start At, type 0 and press OK. Now the second page will begin with page number 1 automatically. If you want the numbering to start from page 3 or another specific page, there's another easy method. First, place your cursor at the end of the page before the numbering should begin. Then, go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. This creates a separate section in your document. Now, double-click the header or footer area on the page where you want numbering to begin. In the Header and Footer tools, click Link to Previous to turn it off. This step is very important because it separates the new section from the earlier pages. When the same as previous text disappears, your sections are now unlinked. Next, go to Insert, click Page Number, choose your preferred style, and the page numbers will appear only in that section. If you want the numbering to begin from page number 1, click Page Number again, choose Format Page Numbers, and set Start At to 1. Press OK, and now your numbering starts exactly where you want it. You can also create page numbers in the format of page 1 of 10 or page 2 of 100. To do this, go to Insert, click Page Number, and choose the Page X of Y style. Word will automatically display both the current page number and the total number of pages in your document. This looks more professional for reports and office documents. If you ever want to edit the page numbers later, simply double-click the top or bottom area of the page to reopen Header and Footer Editing mode. From there, you can change the numbering style, alignment, or formatting anytime you want. If you no longer need page numbers, removing them is very easy. Go to Insert, click Page Number, and choose Remove Page Numbers. You can also manually delete a page number by double-clicking the header or footer area and pressing Delete. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.